everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have the Huion Kamvas Pro and I wanted to give you a quick review based on my experiences with other tablets and how I'm using the iPad Pro now as my main workspace. I'm sharing a few pictures of the packaging when I received the display in the mail. I thought it was well packaged, nothing was damaged, and it arrived quickly. When I opened the package, I was impressed by how big the screen was. It was very easy to assemble. However, that being said, I did have difficulty with one thing. This is the handle that you can pull and then you can press onto your display to tilt it to an angle you'd like. Here is the general setup. It's a gorgeous display, as you can see. My laptop itself is incredibly bright, which is why I can't quite compare to it since it's a beautiful gaming laptop, but this is an amazing display. I'm currently using my Bluetooth keyboard because that's what I'm used to, and my wireless mouse with this setup. Here's a demonstration after I downloaded the drivers off of the Huion website. I was very pleased with the pen's pressure sensitivity. As you can see, there was hardly a lag between the pen's tip and my display as well. Based on my experience so far, I think this pen display is excellent for its price. At this time, I'm mainly using the iPad Pro, but that's because it's mobile. I'll definitely be using the Huion Kamvas Pro 24 at home. I feel like once I am used to the display, it'll increase my workflow. I really like the quality of the screen and how it feels similar to my iPad Pro with its existing screen protector. And I think the display is gorgeous for media usage. Overall, I honestly have not experienced many challenges when it comes to this pen display. I do think it takes up a lot of space, it gets warm here and there, and I kind of wish the buttons on the side, the shortcuts actually lit up so I remember what my shortcuts were. But overall, I think it's a great investment, especially for beginners or intermediate level artists like myself. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, feel free to support by subscribing and also saying hello in the comments below. I appreciate your time and I hope you have a great day. Bye everyone!